Hello everyone and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with voiceovers. And this isn't just one of those videos where I'm just showing you a method in theory that might work. I'm actually showing you what I'm doing to make money with this method. And you can see if you want to make money like this, $561 in my Fiverr account right now. Just got an order for $252 today. You can see order for voiceovers right here, $15. Another voiceover order for $25 right here. This stuff does work. So let's jump in real quick. I'm going to show you what we are actually going to look at today. So today's video is how to make money with voiceovers. Now, I've been doing this for a while and my account's starting to pick back up. I've had different accounts on Fiverr before, and this last account is really starting to build up. I think I have about almost 100 reviews on my Fiverr gig, and I've recently became a level 2 seller on Fiverr, which is one step under their, top seller status, where they let you have, I believe, 40 gigs posted. Right now I have almost 20 gigs posted, but you want to filter your gigs out. That's kind of a method. It's really difficult to actually get 20 gigs up that are selling, on a steady basis. You're gonna throw out 20, but you're gonna have a solid 5 or 6 gigs that you're gonna get steady orders on. You're gonna have 2 or 3 that are really the main part of your Fiverr business that you're gonna get the most orders from, and then you're gonna have some that trickle in, and you're gonna have a half of your gigs posted that probably won't get any sales for one reason or another. So this actually works, and I've shown you proof by going over, showing you all this, the orders that I'm getting. I have different gigs posted. I make courses for people, which are a lot bigger orders, but I land steady clients as well. And I don't just get, $5 orders. I get $25 orders, $15 orders for voiceovers. And my strategy, and you can learn about that in the course if you're interested in learning all about this on my strategy, how you can beat out all the competition. Just click on the link below, and it's actually my custom Fiverr voiceover course, and you can pick that up for only $1. So check that out if you're interested in doing this method and you want even more in-depth training on it. So what you would do with this is, if we come over to the dashboard on Fiverr, or we just go, I'm going to switch to buying. I'm just showing you a little bit of my account there. The back end of my seller's account. And let's say I go over here to voiceovers, and we would just type in voiceover. If you just type in voiceover, right, you're going to see that there are 14,000 for voiceover. There might be a different search result for if it's one word. There's a little bit different result. But and then you can also come over here to just the the music and audio, and then go to voice over, which it is 2 words, and that's when you'll see the total that are placed in this category, and it's actually almost 19,000. So this is creeping up to 19,000. And so to get on this first page is going to be a tricky thing. This guy right here, he has 2 orders in his queue. Ranked number 1, I'm surprised he only has 2 orders in his queue. That's actually not as good as, I just had 2 orders in my queue, and I'm definitely not ranked. I've never checked actually where I fall on the 19,000, but it's nice to kind of look through here and see what others are getting. This voiceover here, she's got 4 orders in her queue, so not bad. But you find your niche. You either depends on your accent or your language or how you're going to rank, right? But Fiverr is definitely has taken over the internet for the voiceover services. Is one of the biggest things that Fiverr is known for, and what they sell so many. I mean, if you type in voiceover in Google, let's just do that real quick for fun. I'll go over to Google, voiceover, and type it in. You may get Fiverr on the first page, and you do. So check this out. You got voiceover, you got an ad, so that doesn't count, right? Then you come over here. Wikipedia is just defining what a voiceover is. And then you've got voices.com and Voice Bunny, which are just have been staples in the industry. But then look who ranks the third service. Fiverr ranks. And so you click on that and it takes you to basically the page that I was just on. Check this out. It takes you right here. And this is where businesses start finding people, because a lot of businesses are going to go to Voice Bunny and the other one, voices.com, and they're going to see that, oh, this is going to cost me hundreds or thousands of dollars. What's this other one? What's Fiverr, right? So they're going to come over to Fiverr, they're going to check it out, and they're going to start seeing prices of $20, $25, $10, which is a lot more palatable for, a small business owner that doesn't want to spend $1,000 on a voiceover, right? And so you can filter by these different sections here and budget. Someone can put in, I only have $5. Let's see what comes up here. And almost half the services offer $5 to begin with. Now I can say that most of these are going to be like 25 words for $5. This guy has 2 orders in his queue. He'll actually do 100 words for the $5, which is pretty good. So this is a really good. If you're getting started, Fiverr, you want to put your service up on Fiverr. If you have any kind of voice and you can read and record, then that's all you need to do, right? And so, and then you can get a cheap microphone. I'll drop a link in the description of the microphone I'm using right now for this, and you can tell I have really good audio. It's a very affordable microphone at around $70, I believe, the last time I checked it out. It's a USB mic that plugs right into your computer, and it's ready to go, and you're going to get studio quality for about $70 USB mic. And no, it's not a Blue Yeti or anything like that. So I wanted to show you another place where you can go. So if you go to this place called People Per Hour, right? And I'm just showing you this stuff because I want you to know that, I share a lot of things on this channel. That's what this channel is all about, is teaching you different ways that you can go out there and start an online business, quit that 9-to-5 job. And, there's so many different ways that you can make money online. You really can. You just have to pick 1 or 2 methods that you'll enjoy and that you feel that you kind of have a knack for, that you have a little bit more of a skill set than others, and then attack it and just go for it. And you can make it happen right now. And that's actually where I'm at. Is I've gotten to a place now where I'm replacing my day job income. And I'll give an update video on this on the channel, but I'm planning on leaving my 9-to-5 job, my $80,000 a year job, to do this full time, the entrepreneurial online, making money online. And I've already built my income up, and I will be leaving my job soon. And so, so you can do that too, if you just take these tips and run with them, right? So, people per hour, I've shared this before, if any of you have been watching any of my videos, and you can come to people per hour and just to, show you that, I'm going to go to, let's see if I already have it pulled up. Well, here's one, Workstream. I just did this on June 15th. So we're on June 24th. So, within the last 10 days, and I made $10 on this one. And guess what? I got a 5-star rating on the platform. Okay. And what's cool is I get to keep $10 of this. So $10 I billed for, and I got to keep the 10. So it's not like Fiverr. Fiverr does take 20% of yours. I get to take the full 10, which is nice. I make a little bit more per job on the platform here on people per hour. And if I go over here and just kind of show you where's it at, payments, real quick, and you will see right here $1,100 on the site, $45 this month. And so, this is another platform, and I'm just showing you live that this is a way you can make money. So let's see, can you sell voiceovers on the site, right? So I'm going to go to search over here, and I'm going to go search offers. And then we can come over here and let's see if they have the audio, photo, music and audio here. We can click that, and then we can find voiceover. Okay, we could type in voiceover right here. There's 357 right here in the voiceover. And what I like to do is take this and just see what's kind of selling. You can tell. So this one hasn't sold, but this one has sold 57, right? So you can kind of skim through like that. But I like to go over here to the filter and then go to top sales. What sells? 354, 473. You can see that 764, and his minimum is $80. So if you take your calculator and you do 80 times 764, you are going to get $61,000. So this guy's making a lot of money on this platform. I haven't quite cracked the code on, and it is, I believe this is a UK site, or it definitely is it's based in another country, not in the US. But I'm not ranked on the first page. I'm not really quite sure where I'm ranked. So I just went through here. I skipped through the video real quick, not to bore you with me searching through, but I went through the first 5 pages, and there's 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. There's 25 listings on each page, and I'm not even ranked in the top 100, 125, and I made an order the other day. So people are searching for specific things, and this is a good way that you can get set up is, go to Amazon, click the link in the description on the microphone that I'm using right now. This will get you started right away. You can get the microphone, plug it into your computer, it installs immediately, and then create your Fiverr gig. Go over to Fiverr, create a voiceover gig, do something unique to make yourself stand out, do more words than most people, so you can get your reviews going. And this is a good way to get into Fiverr and selling services and making that side income. And then you can build off that, right? And you can do multiple different things, and you can move to different platforms, things like that. So that about wraps it up for this video. If you have a video suggestion, please leave it in the comments below, and I will take a look at it and see if I can make a video that you're requesting. And if you are interested in doing voiceovers on Fiverr and want a full training, pick up my Fiverr voiceover course for only $1. Just click that link in the description. And finally, if you found value in this video, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And until next time, take care.